Welcome to Application Developer Series. I am Krishna, author, trainer at vkinfotech.com. My colleague, Mrs. Bharti, an author, trainer and a developer, we both together have created these videos for you. In this video, we will see what are the types of Azure applications you can develop. Developers can develop various types of applications and deploy them on Azure. Some of the applications are web applications, mobile backend applications, enterprise applications, microservice applications, Internet of Things applications. So let us see a little bit more about each of these types. The first one is web applications on Azure. A simple web application with front end and RDBMS backend, a common business application used by companies. Important points to note for web applications are: current web applications can be moved to Azure with minimal code. That is, web applications running on desktop or desktop networks can be moved to Azure with minimal code change. You can import existing application code into Visual Studio 2015 and deploy to Azure. Azure takes care of patching and load balancing. Deploy updates continuously and more often from Visual Studio. Use version control systems like GitHub and Visual Studio team services. This applies to large teams which are developing applications. Use same programming techniques used in non-cloud applications. That is, you develop applications using same programming techniques and move it to the cloud, and Azure will run them. Use Azure SDK libraries to develop applications. The next one is mobile backend applications. Mobile client apps are deployed on mobile devices and mobile backends are hosted on Azure. Important points to note for mobile backends are: Azure allows push notifications to multiple cross-platform mobiles from mobile backends, updates the backend automatically, analyze user behavior with mobile backend analytics. These are some of the things you can do with mobile backends on Azure. The next one is enterprise applications on Azure. Azure enterprise applications are built using Azure specific building blocks such as web role and worker role, which are based on the cloud service model. Important points to note are: such applications are scalable, reliable and cheap to operate. You need to develop the application using web roles and worker roles. All cloud service applications have to be built from scratch. Once deployed, applications are managed by Azure. Microservice applications. Typical examples are micro-financial trading systems, instant messaging services, data collection hubs, dynamic video ad serving, or managing patient records at national scale. These are some of the examples of microservice applications. Important points to note are: a microservice application is built using small, independently executing microservices. You can build your application using a microservice approach and deploy into Azure Service Fabric. Services are easier for developers to understand and build. That is, Azure services provided by Azure for building microservice applications are much easier to understand and build. Individual microservices can be upgraded live without an interruption to the working of microservice application. That is, when an application is working, that is a microservice application is working, you can upgrade the application without interruption to the one which is working. The last one we have listed is an IoT application. Connected devices generate large amounts of information. A scenario where there are many machine tools, there are data testing equipment. All these machines and testing equipment create a lot of data as they keep working. IoT applications enable monitoring of these connected devices by pushing real-time data to dashboards for business analysts to analyze data. IoT applications use IoT Hub to log events from connected devices. Stream Analytics ingests these events and process them in real time. A machine learning function is written to create a machine learning model and output the data for Azure Blob Storage for archiving. Power BI is used to create a dashboard from the output data of Stream Analytics. So, till now we have seen what are the types of applications you can develop in Azure, about 5 of them, and each one we have briefly touched upon. Subscribe to Week Info Tech and do not miss our next set of free videos. Call us and clarify all your doubts. If you are serious about learning Azure, then see our other videos covering Azure in more detail. For free 100+ question answers on Azure, email us at connectco.info@gmail.com. We will send you a free copy, absolutely free.